this is KPG Interior Design, and what we're going to do is a home renovation for a living room of a townhome that's more than 100 years old. So this house has not been renovated in over 25 or 30 years, and everything as far as architectural elements like baseboards, windows, as I mentioned, the plaster walls, they're original. For the most part, the walls, they're in pretty good condition, other than at the baseboard where you can see it's kind of deteriorating. So what we're going to do is just repair them and patch them up rather than go out and buy a whole lot of drywall, because these walls are plaster and I feel like they don't have to be removed in order to look good. So we're just going to repair them, refinish them with fresh coats of paint as well as some wall covering. Over here, we're going to do custom wood shelving, and here's an image of what the existing flooring looks like. The staircase, we're going to reinstall new balusters, sand the flooring, and install some new treads as well as risers. And now the demo stage has begun. The room has been cleared out. Here's the vestibule area where we did uncover some of the original mosaic tile under the vinyl. Here they're sanding everything down and removing the balusters.